Okay, so we're going to do a sheep heart dissection. This is our sheep heart right here. This is the apex, so it's going to be pointing down at the left hip. So this is going to be, it's going to be like that. So here's our apex left hip going down there. So this is how it would be inside the body. When we open it up, we're going to take a look at the right side first. So this right here is going to be the right side of the heart. It's going to enter in through your vena cava, which is this structure right here. It's kind of a little bit hard to see because it's covered in fat, but I can actually stick my finger in there like that. It's going to enter through that vena cava into the right atrium. Attached to the right atrium is going to be the tricuspid valve, or the right AV valve. Then it's going to flow down into the right ventricle. Then I can kind of stick my finger going up a little bit, but it's going to be shot up into pulmonary arteries, which then go to the lungs. Once it goes to the lungs and gets oxygenated, we're going to look at the left side of the heart now. It's going to come back to the left side. So through the left side, it's going to enter veins that are on either side into right here. This is the left atrium. And on this left side, you can really see these strings right here. Those strings are called chordae tendineae, and you have them on both sides of the heart. They connect the atria to the ventricles on the bottom, and this literally anchors those valves. They're literally heartstrings. Once it flows into the left atrium, it's going to go through this little valve right here, which is the bicuspid or left AV valve, down into the left ventricle. Once it gets down into the left ventricle, you can see this is a very thick layer of myocardium, or cardiac muscle. This will contract, which forces blood up through the aorta. Your aorta is the largest artery in the body. Once it gets through here, it's going to be shot up and it's going to expand to all the body tissues.